So we are all looking forward to the final.
And you've got this young superstar, Babar, who is absolutely thrilling to watch, who led the way today.
You see, frankly, I haven't had much time to watch cricket. But when I was the Prime Minister, I did, because our cricket was at the time going through a bad time. So I watched him play. I've only watched him play twice, proper innings. And I immediately asked the head of a cricket board, you must make him the captain. Because he is a genuine world class. I think he's an exceptional player. I haven't seen a player with such versatility, with such correct technique, such stroke play and temperament. I mean, he has all the qualities. I think he could go anywhere from here. But him as the captain makes a lot of sense, because you want your captain to be a world-class cricketer so that he commands respect. And I think our team looks good. I think we might just win the final.
Well, that's not too hasty to hear, Imran. Sorry.